If you ever want to create a very smooth, eye-catching animations for your logos, your flyers, social media, websites, or even if you're into UI UX, without having to deal with complex timelines like in After Effects and the likes, then this website is for you. Hi everybody, Innocent here and welcome to the channel. Over here we make videos like this. If that is something that sounds like you are interested, kindly consider subscribing. So the name of this website is called Jitter and the link is jitter.video. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to go there directly. Now once you get to this website, you're going to be asked to sign up or sign in. If you already have an account, you go straight and sign in. If you don't, you sign up and the process is very simple. Now, before you even think twice, Jitter is web-based, so you don't need to install anything. You just need to open your browser and start creating your animations. Once you sign up and you sign in, you're going to be welcomed with this blank or this page, this homepage. So there are a lot of templates that you can choose from this ones, ranging from devices, logos, social media, video titles, websites, UI elements, and so many of them. We are going to try some of them coming right up. So this isn't just for logos or lower thirds and all. You can really use this for so many things. They even have the YouTube subscribe button, there's the circles cascade, and so many things. Now, let me quickly select one of these animated search bar and let's try to see what we can do with this one. Now, what makes this very simple and very nice is it's already done the animations for you. So what you are going to do is you're basically going to do like a drag and drop. You pick up the template, you're going to change everything to your liking. Now, once you select it, you're going to need to duplicate the animation so that you can edit it. If you don't duplicate it, you won't be able to edit it. So now timeline has been created for me. So now I'm going to replace the best motion design tool with whatever text that I want to replace it with. All you need to do is double click on it and you're going to put in your name over there or whatever you want to put. So in this case, I'm going to use innocentboateng.com, and once you slide it back and play it over, you see it has created this very simple animated search bar for you. From there, you can easily go ahead and export this into a video. So you have so many formats, but unfortunately, if you've not paid for it, you can only export up to 720 pixels. Now, once you hit on export, you're going to take some time. It is going to take some time to export for you. You just need to wait and you are going to have something like this. And now when I come to my files, you can double click on what I just exported, and this is how you're going to see it. Very simple, right? Now let's take a look at example number 2. So we are going to replicate this pop-up text effect. Okay, so you just double click on the Jitter theme and then you can replace it with your name. You make the same, or you do the same thing with the text under it, and it says thanks for watching. It's as simple as that. You play it back and you're going to have the simple cool message pop-up effect. Really simple, just in few seconds you are done. Okay, and now you can go ahead and export that also into a video format. So the 1080p, to export in 1080p, you're going to need to pay up for this, and they are kind enough to make it up to 724 for the free version, which I think it's cool because for such pop-ups you don't need to make it like very big and all. So I think it's very cool for that. Now here's the fun part. Let me show you how to easily bring this into your video editor and make use of it. So you first import this. I'm using Filmora to do this illustration, but it should work with any other video software that you are using. So I first import it into my project, and then I'll use one of these examples or these downloaded backgrounds in Filmora. Okay, so once I have this background, I'll then go to my project. Then I can import one of these animated footages into. Now the beauty of this is that it exports without the background. How cool is that? You don't need to take off the background or anything. If this was in like Photoshop, this is more like it imports in a PNG, which is very cool. You don't need to waste time to use chroma keys or anything to remove the background, so it makes it very cool. The only thing is, if you are using the free version, you're going to have a copyright, but in this video I showed you a very simple way to get rid of that. I hope this isn't copyright infringement though. And just like that, after a few adjustments and all, you play back your animation and this is what you have. Very simple. So you can bring the second one as well, do the same thing, resize to fit your video wherever you want it to pop up, and then you can use the crop tool to of course do the needful. Okay, and once you're done, you can apply it and go straight ahead to resize it, and you are good to go. Now it even allows you to add different animations to it in case you don't want the first animation that it came with, because you already have your design and everything, so you just need to give it a different animation and you are good to go. Very simple like that. You can even use Jitter to animate complex data or charts that you need to work on. For instance, this particular one over here, when you are creating like a survey or something for, say, graphic designers, video editors, and all, you can use Jitter to do this animation, and it's going to give you something amazing like this one. So yeah, of course, you can browse through the amazing catalog of templates that you have and choose from any one of them that you want to use. Mind you, this isn't a total free platform. If you are going in for the free, you are allowed to choose a couple of things, free things that you can export up to 72 pixels and 30 FPS. You can import your Figma and all those things. But if you want to experience it more, you are going to probably have to go for an upgraded version, which starts at a $12 per month. If you are using this for professional views and all, I think this is a great deal for money. All in all, Jitter is a very good platform to create or start with your animation if you don't have any animation background. So let me know in the comment section, are you going to be using this to animate your logos or do your presentations, present your logos to your clients, or if you are in need of lower thirds and other things, social media pop-ups, are you going to be making use of Jitter to do all of these things? Let me know in the comment section, and thank you so much for sticking around to watch this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's Innocent here, and bye.